What if you could run 10 different Facebook accounts, 10 different TikTok stores, and 10 different Google ad accounts all from one computer, all completely invisible to each other without ever worrying about getting flagged or banned? That's exactly what BitBrowser lets you do. And today I'm going to show you everything: how to set it up, how to use it, and how you can actually make money with it. Let's get into it. So first, what is BitBrowser? In simple terms, it's an anti-detect browser. That means it's a browser specifically designed to let you manage multiple online accounts simultaneously, without those accounts ever being linked to each other. Here's the problem it solves. Normally, when you open a browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever, every website you visit can read what's called your browser fingerprint. That includes your IP address, your device settings, your screen resolution, your time zone, your fonts, even your audio configuration. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Google are really good at reading all of this data, and if they see two accounts coming from the same fingerprint, they flag them as the same person and they ban you. BitBrowser creates a completely separate, unique browser environment for every single profile you create. Different fingerprint, different cookies, different storage, as if each one is running on an entirely different device, on an entirely different internet connection, from an entirely different person. And here's the best part: to start, BitBrowser gives you 10 permanent free browser profiles. Forever. No credit card, no trial period. Just sign up and you have 10 fully isolated environments ready to go. Okay, let's jump into the actual setup. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up a proxy IP inside BitBrowser and get a working browser profile up and running. Let's download the app. I'm using Windows 10, 64-bit, so I'll select the Windows version and click download. If you're using a Mac, just choose the Mac OS version that matches your device. Once it's installed, we can move on to the next step. From the main dashboard, click Browser Profiles in the top left. You'll see a profile creation screen. Now click Add. Give your profile a name. I'll call this one TikTok. You can also set the operating system type, the browser version, and the language. These all contribute to your fingerprint, so you want them to be realistic. Now scroll down to the proxy section. This is where you plug in your IP address to give this profile its own unique internet connection. Select your proxy protocol. Most proxies today use SOCKS 5 or HTTP. I'll use HTTP for this. Then enter your proxy host, port number, username, and password. Your proxy provider will give you all of these details. Now, let me fill up this proxy details. Once you've entered your proxy details, click Check Proxy. BitBrowser will instantly test the connection and show you your new IP address, your location, and your time zone, all automatically detected from the proxy. This is important because BitBrowser will match your browser fingerprint to your proxy's location automatically, making the whole profile look totally authentic. Now, if everything looks good, hit Save, and your new profile appears in your dashboard. Click Start to launch it. A fresh Chromium-based browser window opens, and this browser has its own fingerprint, its own IP, its own cookies, completely isolated. And beside to it, we have our destination website. Now you can log in TikTok, scroll, add, post, whatever you want. Let me just go to a regular website to confirm everything is working. I'll navigate to a fingerprint detection site. You can see it's reading a completely unique fingerprint. Different from my real browser, different from any other profile I create. Now, if I open a second profile in a different tab, watch, completely different IP, completely different fingerprint. These two profiles are invisible to each other. That's the power of BitBrowser. Now here's something that really makes BitBrowser stand out. You get 10 browser profiles completely free forever. Unlike many anti-detect browsers that only offer a short free trial, BitBrowser gives you 10 fully functional browser profiles with no expiration date. Each profile is a separate browsing environment where you can use different proxies, fingerprints, and accounts all running independently at the same time for free. Okay, now I want to show you something that BitBrowser just launched that I'm really excited about. It's called BitCloud Phone, and it's a cloud phone platform built directly into the BitBrowser ecosystem. Here's the idea. A browser profile is great for web-based platforms, but what about apps that are mobile only, like Facebook mobile creator tools, Instagram stories, or certain Telegram features? For those, you need an actual Android device. BitCloud Phone gives you real Android phones running in the cloud, not emulators, actual Android environments with real ARM processors, each with their own unique device identity, their own IMEI, their own MAC address, their own Android ID. You access them from your computer, run any Android app, and each cloud phone looks completely independent to any platform's detection system. Let me show you one of the most powerful features in BitBrowser, the Group Control, or Synchronizer feature. Here's what it does. You open multiple browser profiles at the same time, and whatever you do in one window, every click, every scroll, every text input is instantly mirrored across all the other windows simultaneously. Imagine managing 20 accounts at once. Instead of repeating the same task 20 times, Group Control lets you do it once and instantly apply it across every profile. Whether you're posting content, filling out forms, or browsing websites, it saves hours of repetitive work. For social media managers, affiliate marketers, and e-commerce sellers, it's a huge time saver for working at scale. Now let's talk about how you can actually make money with BitBrowser beyond just using it as a tool. BitBrowser has a promotion reward program, basically an affiliate program where you earn commissions for every person you refer who signs up and becomes a paying customer. The more people you bring in, the more you earn. It works like this. You get a unique invitation link, mine is in the description. Anyone who signs up through your link is tracked to your account. When they upgrade to a paid plan, you earn a percentage of their payment, and this compounds over time as your audience grows. For content creators, this is a natural fit. If you're making videos about e-commerce, affiliate marketing, social media management, or any kind of online business, your audience is exactly the kind of people who need BitBrowser. You're recommending something genuinely useful and earning a commission for every person you help. Let's talk about another massive use case. Running multiple advertising accounts simultaneously without getting flagged for account association. If you run ads on Instagram, YouTube, or Amazon, you know the pain. Platforms limit how much you can spend, how many accounts you can run, and how aggressively you can scale. Advertisers who try to run multiple ad accounts from the same browser get flagged immediately. The platforms detect the shared fingerprint and either restrict or ban the accounts. With BitBrowser, each ad account lives inside its own isolated profile with its own IP address and its own fingerprint. From Amazon's perspective, these are completely different people on completely different devices. You can run multiple ad accounts, test different creatives across them, scale budgets independently, all without any association risk. This is also how agencies manage clients. Instead of logging into 10 different client ad accounts through the same browser and risking cross-contamination, each client gets their own BitBrowser profile. Clean, isolated, professional. Alright, that's BitBrowser. To recap what we covered today, how to set up a proxy IP and launch a fully isolated browser profile. Cloud phones for mobile-first platforms, with a voucher for you in the description. 10 permanently free browser profiles. No trial, no expiration. How to earn commissions through the BitBrowser affiliate program. How to run multiple ad accounts safely without getting flagged. If you've been trying to scale your online business, manage multiple accounts, or protect yourself from platform bans. BitBrowser, one of the best tools I've found. The link to sign up, completely free, 10 profiles included, is in the description. And if you want the Cloud Phone voucher, grab that too while it's available. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Drop any questions in the comments and I'll answer them. See you in the next one.